Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the home button and the back button together, and we need to keep holding them until we see the Samsung logo with the rebooting message under it on the screen. So let's press and hold the buttons and keep holding them. And once you see the Samsung logo with the rebooting message under it, release the buttons and wait until the watch is done rebooting, of course. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.